Assalamualaikum. My name is Sumira Binti Rosli, and I am pleased to introduce my team members for our group project in SEC 407, Fundamental Financial Accounting and Reporting. They are Kusmiati binti Kudi, Sharmi Watiza binti Sarudi, Nurzaini binti Insin, Nuraisha Nadira binti Iduin. Today, under the guidance of our lecturer, Sir Surail, we will be presenting our project on the financial accounting and reporting practices of Sinar Auto Workshop, a sole proprietorship business specializing in automotive repair and maintenance services. Our presentation will cover the following key areas. First, the background and characteristic of Sinar Auto Workshop, the classification of business items, including asset, liabilities, capital, revenues, and expenses, the recording process and financial transaction of the workshop, and analysis of the strengths and weaknesses of the current accounting practices. Through this project, we aim to provide a comprehensive overview of how fundamental financial accounting principles are applied in a real-world business setting. We hope our insight will contribute to a better understanding of the importance of accurate financial reporting and effective accounting practices.
Here are the background for Sinar Auto Workshop. Sinar Auto Workshop specializing in car welding, repair, painting, and spare parts supply. Is owned by Encik Firdaus bin Swaib. Sinar Auto Workshop established on December 1st, 2012 and has been operational for 12 years. It is located at CL Commercial Land, Kampung Dungang, Jalan Bolong, Tuaran, Sabah. The workshop's strategic location offers affordable rental rates compared to other areas and ample space, ideal for conducting workshop services. Sinar Auto Workshop, with a staff of 7, including owner Encik Rahman bin Swaib, has first admin cum account manager responsible for admin tasks, documentation, receipts, sales record, and customer appointments, one supervisor who supervises daily operation, one welder for handles welding, one painter for doing painting, and 2 general workers to operate the business. The operation time for Sinar Auto Workshop is Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. until 5 p.m., Saturday from 8 a.m. in the morning until 3 p.m. in the afternoon, and they will close on Sunday. This is the list for business characteristic in Sinar Auto Workshop. In Sinar Auto Workshop, they have several distinctive characteristics that define its operation, service, and market positioning. First characteristic we focus is service-oriented. In Sinar Auto Workshop, it primarily provides painting, welding, and repair services. In a service-oriented context within a workshop, the emphasis is on providing high-quality painting service tailored to meet the specific needs and preference of customers. The second characteristic is focuses on competitive pricing in the automotive industries. Establishing effective pricing strategies that take into account material costs, labor costs, and market demand is crucial. Offering value-added services such as color customizations or warranty options can help differentiate the workshop from its competitors. And the last one, Sinar Auto Workshop focus on workers who have specialized skills. Operating a painting workshop requires expertise in painting techniques, color matching, surface preparation, and finishing. Knowledge of different types of paints, coatings, and application methods is crucial. Overall, Operating a painting workshop requires a combination of technical expertise, business acumen, customer-centric approach, and adherence to regulatory requirements. Success hinges on delivering high-quality services, fostering customer trust, and adapting to evolving market dynamics.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Sumera and I will explain about the classification of business item used by Sinar Auto Workshop. Sinar Auto Workshop manage its business using 5 key accounting elements including asset, liabilities, capital, revenues, and expenses. Each of these elements plays a critical role in the financial health and operation of the workshop. Firstly, I will be explaining about the asset. Asset are resources owned or controlled by a business that are expected to provide future economic benefits. These resources, acquired through transaction, have measurable value and are categorized into current and non-current assets. Current assets are resources expected to be converted into cash or used up within 1 year. For example, this include cash and cash equivalents, funds readily available for day-to-day operation. Second is the account receivable, money owed by customers for services rendered. The inventory, such as supplies, spare parts, and material used in the workshop. And lastly is the prepaid expenses. This is the advance payment for rent, insurance, and utilities. For the non-current assets are long-term resources that provide benefits beyond 1 year. For example, include machinery and equipment such as tools, machines, and equipment used for repairs and services. Second one is the property, the workshop, building, and the land. And then the future furniture and fixtures such as office furniture, shelving, and workbenches. Then lastly is the computers and software use, computers used to manage daily operation. The second key element is liabilities. Liabilities represent the financial obligation of the business to its creditors or the amount of money owed to them. This can be categorized into non-current and current liabilities. Non-current liabilities are obligations not expected to be paid off within 1 year. For example, include long-term loans and mortgage. However, Sinar Auto Workshop does not have any non-current liabilities as it does not have any loans from the bank. For the current liabilities are obligations expected to be settled within 1 year. For example, account payable. Account payable is the money owed to suppliers for parts and material purchases on credit. Second one is the utility bills, monthly payments for electricity, water, and other utilities. And another one is the wages payable, salaries and wages owed to employees, and the accrued expenses, such as expenses incurred but not yet paid, such as rent or maintenance costs. Effectively managing these liabilities is crucial for maintaining financial stability and ensuring smooth operation at Sinar Auto Workshops. The third characteristic of the business is the capital. Capital refers to the owner's investment or the net worth of the businesses, representing the total equity or ownership interest in the company. It can come from initial investment or be generated through retained earnings. Capital serves as the financial foundation for business operation and growth. Mr. Rahman bin Suaib, the owner, initially invested 30,000 ringgit to establish Sinar Auto Workshop. This capital was used to set up the workshop and acquire necessary equipment and tools for automotive repair services. As the business grew, additional capital was likely accumulated to support expansion and operational needs. Next one is the revenues. Revenue is the income generated by the business from its normal activities, typically from the sale of goods and services to customers. Sinar Auto Workshop generates revenue from various services including first, the repair services. revenue from repairing vehicles such as engine, brakes, and transmission. And another one is the maintenance service, income from routine vehicle maintenance like oil change, tire rotation, and battery replacement. And another one is the part sale, money from the selling car parts or accessories. And then the diagnostic services, charged for diagnosing vehicle issues and advising on repairs. And then the custom services such as fees for special services like customization, tune-ups, and detailing. And last one is the body painting services, where revenue from body painting and refinishing services. Sinar Auto Workshop earns approximately 50,000 ringgit per year from these activities, ensuring financial health and sustainability. And the last one is the expenses. Expenses represent the costs incurred by the business to generate revenue and operate effectively. These costs are recorded in the income statement and reduce the company's net income. Sinar Auto Workshop incurs several categories of expenses, including first, the materials and the supplies, such as paints, primers, clear coat, solvent, masking tape, and sandpaper used in the painting process. And the second one is the labor costs, wages and salaries for painters, technicians, and other workshop personnel. And the third is utilities, electricity and water bills. And then the rent, payment for the workshop space. And then the equipment maintenance, regular upkeep and repairs of painting equipment such as spray guns and spray rooms. And then the administrative expenses such as the office suppliers, telephone bills, internet expenses, and other overhead costs related to the running the workshop. These expenses are documented and reported in the workshop's financial statement, such as the income statement and the balance sheet, to provide a comprehensive view of the workshop's financial performance and position. Proper accounting and reporting of expenses are crucial for assessing profitability, managing costs effectively, and making informed business decisions. That's all from me. Thank you.
About recording process of financial transaction. At the Sinar Auto Workshop, the recording of financial transaction follows a straightforward approach known as the single entry methods. This method is simpler and well suited for smaller business like auto workshops. They have for recording process of financial transaction that I will share. The first one is documentation and recording. Second one is types of financial transaction. The third one is importance of accurate recording, and the fourth one is operational efficiency. Okay, the first documentation and recording from recording process. They have two parts. The first one is source document. Transactions are primarily recorded using receipt and invoices. This document serves as the basis for recording income, cash inflow, and expenses, cash outflow. The second one is journal entries. When each transaction is recorded, one in a journal, either in a physical book, spreadsheet, or digital format within accounting software. The journal entry includes details such as the date, description of transaction, amount, and the affected account, for example, cash, sales, and expenses. Secondly, types of financial transaction. They have two parts. First one, cash transaction, that cash received from customer for repair services, part sales, and other automotive service is recorded as income. Similarly, cash payments made for purchasing parts of settling expenses are documented as expenses. The second one is online transfers. That is, payment received through online transfers from customers or made to supplier for parts purchases recorded on the spreadsheets. The details of each transfer, including transaction reference and dates, not for clarity. The third one is the importance of accurate recording with two parts also. Objective recording keeping, that is maintaining accurate journals, ensures transparency and clarity in financial reporting. And the second one is compliance and the taxation, that is accurate records are crucial for complying with tax regulation and facilitating audits. The last but not least, operational efficiencies. They have two parts also. The first one is simplicity. The single entry method simplifies recording keeping for senior auto workshops, focusing on essential financial data. The second one is decisions making. Clear financial records support informed business decisions and budgeting. By adhering to the single entry method, Senior Auto Workshop effectively manages its financial transactions, supporting operational efficiency and financial stability. So that's all from me, and thank you.
Hi, my name is Sharmiwati Zah, and I will talk about strengths and weaknesses involved in Sinar Auto Workshop. For strengths, business transactions are primarily conducted in cash and through bank transfer. Sinar Auto Workshop, a business operation, benefit from a combination of cash and bank transfer transaction, providing flexibility, security, and efficient financial management. This approach ensures that the workshop can effectively meet in financial obligation, maintain accurate records, and support ongoing business operation and growth. Second, only use a receipt book to documentation transaction for its business. Sinar Auto Workshop maintain a straightforward approach to financial record keeping. This method supports basic financial management needs. However, as the workshop expands or its financial operation become more complex, it may consider adopting additional tools or systems to enhance efficiency and reporting capabilities. Third, affordable and simple. Sinar Auto Workshop recording process typically refers to a solution that is cost-effective and easy to implement and use. Fourth, filing system in systematic and orderly manner. In Sinar Auto Workshop, maintaining a filing system in a systematic and orderly manner ensure effective document management, promote organizational efficiency, and support smooth business operation. For example, invoice, cashier, and receipt must be filed alphabetically to ensure easy access. The owner workshop also organize documents such as invoice, cashier record, and receipt in alphabetical order within the filing system. This systematic approach facilitates quick retrieval of documents when needed, thereby enhancing operational efficiency and overall management effectiveness. Sinar Auto Workshop also have weakness from this record report. The weakness while recording financial process in a Sinar Auto Workshop is essential. There are also potential weaknesses or challenges associated with this practice. First, time consuming. Maintaining detailed financial record can be time consuming, especially for owners of Sinar Auto Workshop who may prefer spending time on creative activities rather than administrative tasks. Second, skill requirement. The owner of Sinar Auto Workshop does not have a strong background in accounting or bookkeeping. Recording financial processes require a certain level of skill and understanding of financial principle, which may be lacking in small business owner. Third is costly software. Using specialized accounting software or hiring a professional accountant can be expensive for small workshops with limited budget. This cost may deter some from maintaining proper financial record or from investing in necessary tools. Fourth, inaccuracies and error. Without diligent oversight, there is a risk of inaccuracies in financial records. This error can lead to incorrect financial decision, misunderstanding with suppliers or customer, and difficult in financial analysis. Fifth is lack of immediate benefit. Senior auto workshop owner may not immediately see the benefit of maintaining details financial records. This perception can lead to neglect of this important aspect of business management. In conclusion, while recording financial processes is crucial for the health and growth of the Senior Auto Workshop, it's important to be aware of these potential weaknesses and address them proactively to ensure effective financial management. That's all from me. Thank you.
In conclusion, preparing and consistently maintaining accounting records in a sole proprietorship business is crucial for expanding and sustaining the business in the market. With good and proper documentation and effective utilization of accounting system, business owners can accurately track financial performance, analyze profitability, and make informed strategic decisions. That's all from our group. Thank you.